Friends, today I am going to explain you osmosis. This topic is very important for the students of class 7, 8th, 9th and 10th. But before describing you, explaining you osmosis, let me explain you solute, solvent and solution. When one substance dissolves into another, a solution is formed. A solution is a homogeneous mixture consisting of a solute dissolved into a solvent. The solute is the substance being dissolved, while the solvent is the dissolving medium. For example, take a glass of clean water and we add sugar into it. Then a sugar water solution is formed. For example, here in the diagram you can see this is water and we have put 1 tablespoon of sugar in it. So this here water is the solvent, sugar is the solute, and the resultant form is the solution. Okay, and it is a homogeneous mixture, meaning thereby the composition is uniform. Everywhere the taste will be also uniform, the color will be also uniform, and the composition will be same. Whether we take 1 tablespoon of solution from here or another tablespoon of solution from here, the composition will be the same. So students, the substance being dissolved is known as solute. And what is the solute here? Here sugar is the solute. And the dissolving medium is known as solvent. And what is the solvent here? Water is the solvent. So students, I think it is now clear to you the concept of solute, solvent and solution. Here sugar is the solute, water is the solvent, and the resultant solution, sugar water syrup, is the solution. Now let us discuss osmosis. What is osmosis? It is passage of water molecules from a region of high water concentration to a region of low water concentration. And instead of water, we can use the term solvent. So what is osmosis? Osmosis is passage of water molecules from a region of high water or solvent concentration to a region of low water or solvent concentration. And it can also be termed as it is the passage of water molecules through low solute concentration to a region of high solute concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Through a semi-permeable membrane. This term is very important in case of osmosis. Okay, students? So, one thing which you have to keep in mind is that what is the direction of flow of water or any solvent in case of osmosis. Water will always flow from low solute concentration area to high solute concentration area. From low solute concentration area to high solute concentration area, and it should pass through a semi-permeable membrane. So 3 terms are important here. First is low solute concentration, second term is high solute concentration, and third term is semi-permeable membrane. So the water should always flow from the area of low solute concentration to an area of high solute concentration, and it should essentially pass through semi-permeable membrane. Then only we can term this phenomenon as osmosis. For example, let us see this diagram. Here we have taken water and sugar solution. For example, sugar is little bit, so, and water, the content of water is more, so the concentration of solute is low here. Okay, and let there be another solution. Here solute concentration is very high and water is less, and in between these two solutions there is a semi-permeable membrane. Then students, please tell me what will be the flow of direction of flow of water. As I have told you, in osmosis, water will always move from an area of low solute concentration to an area of high solute concentration. So what will be the direction of flow of water? It will be from low solute concentration to high solute concentration, and it should essentially pass through this semi-permeable membrane. Then we can term this process as osmosis. And osmosis always occurs in a living cell. It does not occur in a dead cell. Now let us discuss three conditions and how the cell will behave in these three conditions. First condition is when a cell is placed in hypotonic solution. Hypo means less, tonic means solute. So, if the concentration of the solution or medium is such that the solute is less than the solute present in the cell, then that solution will be termed as hypotonic solution, meaning thereby the quantity of solute is less in hypotonic solution than the quantity of solute present in any another cell. So what will happen if we will keep a cell in a hypotonic solution? Then, as the rule of osmosis, water will flow from low solute concentration to high solute concentration. So water will flow inside that cell and swelling of that cell will occur. This process is known as endoosmosis. And common example is when your mother cooks kheer, what she does? She puts some raisins in water for some time, and after some time the raisin swells up, and then she puts that raisin in the kheer. So endoosmosis you have observed many times in your mom's kitchen. Okay. Then another type of solution is isotonic solution. Iso means same, tonic means solute, meaning thereby such type of solution in which the quantity of solute is same as that present in the quantity of the cell. Then what will happen? When we will keep a cell in isotonic solution, the cell will remain of the same size. Okay, because the quantity of water entering the cell and the quantity of water coming out of the cell will remain the same, so there will be no change in shape. And third condition is hypertonic solution. Hyper means high, tonic means solute, meaning thereby the concentration of salt in that solution is more than that of the cell. So when a cell is placed in that solution, what will happen? Exoosmosis will occur. Water will come out from the cell into the solution, because during osmosis water always flows from low solute concentration to high solute concentration, and high solute concentration is present in the solution. So water will come out from the cell and shrinking of the cell will occur, and this process is known as exoosmosis. When swelling will occur, then that process is known as endoosmosis. And in case of exoosmosis, shrinking of cytoplasm of a cell due to exoosmosis in hypertonic solution occurs, and that phenomena is also known as plasmolysis, meaning thereby if we will keep grapes in a very concentrated sugar syrup, then what will happen? Grapes will shrink and water will flow out from that grapes. That is an example of exoosmosis. So there are three conditions. In hypotonic solution, what will happen? The cell will swell. Endoosmosis will occur. In isotonic solution, what will happen? Cell will remain of the same size. And in hypertonic solution, what will happen? Shrinking of cell will occur. Exoosmosis will occur. Plasmolysis will occur. Hope students you understood well the process of osmosis and its consequences. Thank you.